In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and replace text in PowerPoint quickly and efficiently. This is a huge time saver if you're working on long presentations and need to update repeated words, fix spelling mistakes, change company names, update dates, or modify terminology across multiple slides at once. Instead of editing every slide manually, PowerPoint has a built-in feature that can handle this in seconds. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the Replace All option that makes everything even faster. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tips. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and load the presentation where you want to find and replace text. This can be any presentation, whether it's stored on your computer or opened through PowerPoint Online in your browser. Once your presentation is open, make sure you are in the normal editing view so you can access the main ribbon at the top. Next, go to the top menu and click on the Home tab. The Home tab contains most of the commonly used tools in PowerPoint, including clipboard options, font settings, paragraph formatting, drawing tools, and of course the editing section, where the Find and Replace tools are located. On the right-hand side of the Home ribbon, look for the Editing group. Here, you'll see the Find option. Click on Find to open the search dialog box. A small window will appear where you can type the word or phrase you want to search for within your presentation. Now, in the Find What field, type the exact word or phrase you want to locate. For example, maybe you want to change the year from 2025 to 2026, or update an old brand name to a new one. Once you've entered your text, click on Find Next. PowerPoint will jump to the first instance of that word in your slides and highlight it so you can see exactly where it appears. You can continue clicking Find Next to move through each occurrence one by one. This is helpful if you only want to review each instance before making changes. But if you already know you want to replace the text, there's a faster way. In the same dialog box, click on Replace. This will expand the window and show you an additional field called Replace With. In the Replace With field, type the new word or phrase that you want PowerPoint to use instead. At this point, you have two options. You can click Replace to change the currently highlighted word one at a time, reviewing each change as you go. Or, if you want to update every single occurrence across the entire presentation instantly, click on Replace All. PowerPoint will then scan all slides and replace every matching word or phrase in just a few seconds. After you click Replace All, you'll see a confirmation message telling you how many replacements were made. This is useful because it confirms the changes were successfully applied throughout your presentation. And that's it. That's how you find and replace text in PowerPoint. It's a simple feature, but it can save you a massive amount of time, especially when working with large slide decks or corporate templates that require frequent updates. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.